Hey y'all, and welcome to the Southland Piper. I'm your host Tim. Hope you're doing well today. I have this Medico Casino that needs some work done to it, so let's turn around to the workbench and get started. Well, let's take a closer look. First of all, you can see get a little bit better light on it. There's the C inside a circle for casino. The stamping on the back, they kind of didn't do the best job of stamping the pipe, but Medico Casino rustication causes an issue reading the casino. Now this one's the spade. There are 5 variations on the rustication on these pipes. One for each suit is a deck of cards, and then a round one for a poker chip. So this one, like I said, is the spade. The stem seems to fit well, although a little gummy once it's fully inserted. So that'll need a good cleaning, and you can see how bad the carbon cake is. So that being pretty dirty, I'd say that shank is pretty bad as well. Here's the other side. The pipe itself is in pretty good shape, not really beat up or anything. Well smoked, but not beat up. So we'll just have to do a really good cleaning on the outside of the pipe as well. And we'll see if it'll need restaining. I don't know if it will or not at this point, but there we are. So let's get started. Now on the stem, I'm just going to use a little sandpaper to get off some of this discoloration. It's a nylon stem, so we're not having to deal with oxidation, but it does have residue on it from being smoked. That won't take just a second to knock that out. And then we'll just put it on the buffer, and it should shine up just fine. Well, I finally got the stem cleaned out. This is all from just the stem, but it's good to go now. I just need to do some buffing on the outside, and she'll be nice. All right, let's ream out this stummel. I'll be back as soon as I finish reaming it out. Well, I got quite a bit of carbon out, but the bowl looks good. No charring or anything, so that's a good thing. So I'm happy with that. All right, we're going to send a few pipe cleaners up the shank. Yeah, it's dirty. That's okay. They all just about start that way. So the pipe was smoked quite a bit, but it wasn't abused. Well, maybe a little neglected, but not abused. I will get back with you once we're done. Well, I've got things pretty good wet down in that shank, so let me take my mortise reamer and see what we can come up with. Yep, quite a bit. Yeah. I'll be back. All right, well, finally got the shank cleaned out. Here's the bowl of how it looks now. And the shank is in good shape. Pretty dirty pipe, but anyway, it's clean on the inside at least. So next thing I'll do is I'm gonna put some of my stummel cleaner on there, briar cleaner, and I let it soak for 20 minutes. And while I'm waiting for that, I'm gonna go ahead and buff out the stem. I'm using the before and after briar cleaner, and I'll let that soak for 20 minutes. All right, it's been 20 minutes. I'm just got a little water here and a soft bristled brush, and we'll just scrub her down for a few minutes. All right, there's our clean stumble. And next, I'll be applying some dye. I might go with a tan because I got a lot of the dye left on here, so we'll go with tan. May do a light brown, we'll see. Decided on a light brown. Have to get me some more. It's a bit more red than I wanted, but we'll see how she turns out. I don't think the redness will hurt anything. All right, we'll rub it in a little bit, get it even. Alrighty. We'll let that go. Let her dry and then we'll buff it. Well, here's the finished pipe. I think it turned out nice. The stem looks really good. And then the stain, I like that light brown on there. Looks really good. Yeah, didn't get it off, all of it off my hand either. Anyway, there's the pipe. I think I'm happy with it. Thank you for sharing your time with me today, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye.